Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to an unboxing and small review of this audio kit from Sony. It comes with the ECM-W2BT. It is their Bluetooth microphone and receiver. Then the ECM-LV1, it's a Lavalier Mic. And then we have this Kratos 2-port power adapter to charge both of these. This came from a kit on Amazon to go with my A7C, which I'm filming on right now. I'm going to do an unboxing here, then I'm going to charge them up, and then I think we'll do an audio test later on. So in the box we have the wind muff for the microphone. We have the 3.5 to 3.5. This does have the what is it called? The audio interface on the receiver. So for example, wow, this is a nice little Sony felt case that it comes in. And these are this is the microphone here and the receiver here. And there's a bridge mount between the two of them, basically makes it so that it's more compact. So I'll go ahead now. Unclip this. This is your microphone. It's got a little clip on the back for you to clip it on your shirt. This wind muff has a plastic foot. That's the 3.5mm jack that slips into this little port right here. You see there's a 3.5 jack there. Slips into there, clips in. And now you have the little wind muff, and then it just snaps right back off. The other side of this little thing here, slide this off. This, as you can see here, there's a bunch of little teeth right there. This is a multi-interface. See all the little teeth right there? Basically what that does is there are specific cameras from Sony that have a receiver for this in the hot shoe so that it can actually read whatever's being sent to this. So for example, this microphone sends a signal to this, and instead of going from your audio out into, with a cable, from an audio out to an audio in, this will record straight through this hot shoe directly onto the camera. This also does have its own microphone right in the back here. So this is the front of the unit. Obviously, this is a couple of power buttons here. You have some different settings here. We'll go through all those. You have your charging port and your auxiliary out port here. But then right here on the back, there's actually a small microphone. So when I am recording and this is on the camera, I could hand this to an interviewee. They can clip this on, and I can have this on the camera as an interviewer and talk into this microphone here. Now there are settings here where you have the microphone, this one, the receiver, this one, or a mixture of both, so you can record both at the same time. And then, like I said, this piece of plastic here is basically just a mount that you can slide everything onto that allows it, let's get the other way around, like that, and then the clip goes in here. Both of them were the other way around. And now you have this, fits in a bag real easy. Slip this bad boy on it, clip that in. I mean, that's your whole package right there. Obviously, we got some cables we need for charging, so that's what we have here. It is sadly, I just upgraded to the A7C and was so happy that now I don't have to deal with micro USB anymore because all of my other cameras are USB-C. But we're back to a micro USB, so I'll add that to my one of 45 micro USB cables. Then we have user guide, warranty information, and the like. So that's everything for this. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it to the side. The next thing we have is the lavalier mic. Now, you don't have to use this lavalier mic specifically for this. You can actually use this Lav Mic for anything. I mean, I could plug this Lav Mic directly into that camera and just use that. If I'm vlogging and it's close enough, I can also use it in my phone, plug it straight in. So it really, if you have an audio recorder or your computer, whatever it is, you can plug it straight into any of these sources here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box. Here we have the Lav Mic, and the same thing, we have just warranty paperwork and the like. We'll put that to the side. We're going to open this up. So this does have its own windsock as well. So that's what this is right here, a little windsock. So this is a stereo Lav Mic. As you can see, there's a right and a left. And the clip does rotate. And like I said, there's your 3.5. So, if you have this off, take this off. You have this. So this is your microphone. Your microphone's right here. There's a little small port right there where your microphone is. You can take this, clip it, because it's got the clip it on your belt, then run your Lav Mic up and clip it on your shirt. And you're ready to rock. And then this will just broadcast a signal to this, which is sitting on your camera. If you do not have this multi-face interface, I don't remember what it's called. I want to say it's called a multi-something interface. Multi-use interface? I'm not sure. I'll have to... I should have been better prepared. Hang on. Yeah, so it's multi-interface shoe is what it's called. Right there. Top right-hand corner. Actually, yeah, top right-hand corner for you. I didn't know if that was backwards or not. This is a new camera. So if you don't have this, you can still put this into your hot shoe, cold shoe, whatever temperature shoe you want, and then just use the included 3.5mm jack, plug in there, and then plug it into your camera, and you'll be good. So yeah, that is a quick and dirty unboxing of the ECM-W2BT and the ECM-LV1. Right now I'm just using the internal microphone on the A7C. I'm going to charge this up and then probably go do an audio test probably outside at a later time. But it will be right now for you. So we'll see you in a second. Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to another test video. Today we are testing out video in the A7C with the 50mm 1.8. We're also going to test out audio from this, which is Sony's wireless Bluetooth option. Everybody knows about the B1M microphone. Everybody loves it. It's currently unavailable, but that's the like really nice top of the line. I wanted to see if this would be a good alternative. Shotgun mics are great. They're also really big, really bulky, like really obnoxiously large. And if I go over there, you won't be able to hear me regardless of how great the shotgun mic is. So this I can take with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video here, turn this on, plug it in, set it up, and then we'll be right back and we'll see what the difference is. So here it is. Hello, my name is Rob. I'm shooting on the A7 III with the 50mm 1.8 Plastic Fantastic. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we are here. I can see the audio is working out well. Hope it's not peaking, but here it is, the ECM-W2BT. So we will do the audio test. Hello, my name is Rob. I'm currently shooting on the A7C with a 50mm 1.8 Plastic Fantastic. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Please. How's the image quality? It looks good from my tiny little screen I can see. How is it on tracking me? I guess I could do a audio distance test. So I guess I'm just gonna go walk over here. Now it is Bluetooth, so it does need line of sight. This is weird walking away from a camera with this thing on. I've never done this before. This is all new for me. I'm a noob when it comes to this. So it is Bluetooth, so it does kind of need line of sight. If I turn around, it may cut out because I'm kind of a big guy and it takes a lot for lasers to go through me. So here I am, about 10 meters away. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't know what a meter is. I think it's 3 feet. I'm a dumb American, so don't know nothing about nothing. I'm gonna walk in the sun here, which I live in the state of Florida. So boy, oh boy, it's like 10 degrees hotter than Satan's butthole. I don't want to, there's a bit of water here, so I don't want to go in the water. Can you even see me still? I don't know. I'm gonna go over here. This is like on the edge of the water. I mean, this is good enough distance, I think. So we'll start walking back now. We say 1, 2, 3. And we do 1, 2, 3. One thing that I like about this microphone is I don't feel it on me. So I don't notice that it's here. And if I wanted to interview somebody, I can use this as a microphone. Hello, my name is Rob. What is your name? What do you believe in? Do you like fried chicken? You're supposed to answer whether you like fried chicken or not. The answer better be yes. Okay. So, we are 3 minutes into this video of the audio test of the Sony ECM-W2BT for blue toothular. All right, so this is handheld. Let me extend this out a little bit. Oh my God. Okay, so if I do this, it's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Not bad, it's a good distance. I can also zoom in, get a little bit closer. That's good. It's enough slices. All right, you wanna walk out on the dock here? I'm gonna get all my stuff together, then we'll walk out on the dock like a romantic couple. Okay. Wow. There we go. We're gonna walk out onto that dock out there. Maybe, we'll see. See how heavy this camera gets. So yes, we are currently on the Sony A7C, the FE28-60, which is basically their kit lens. And I have the Nebula tripod here from your boy Camera Conspiracies, Casey from Camera Conspiracies. And we're just gonna walk out on this dock and see what we can see. This is a heavy lens setup, or camera setup. It's not as heavy as the RX-10 was. All right, here we are. Let me turn you around. Pretty neat. All right. Wow. It's hard to do. How's the shaky cam? Because my arms are tired. Also, can you hear the audio well as I'm walking around? Does it sound like I'm out of breath? Because I am. Does it sound like I'm out of shape? Because I am. Does it look like I'm out of shape? Because I am. Does it look like I need a haircut? Because I do. It's hot, man. It's so hot. I was thinking about flying the drone out here, but I might get in trouble. So I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I'm not going to fly the drone out here. This photo bag is so heavy. And I'm carrying a tripod and a bottle of water. And then y'all, I gotta carry this channel. Gosh, it's rough. It's a rough life. Backlit, can you still see me? If I turn to this side, if I go this way, can you see me now? Come on, Sony, what do we got? All right, here we are. Out on a dock in a lake. Why? Because apparently people like this. I don't know. What do you think? Wow. There's a gauge there about how high the water is. It's at 50.20 inches. Maybe 50.15, because it's kind of lower than that. Is that a dead body? Oh my God. Okay. So yeah, this is it. This is the dock. Amazing, isn't it? It's the most wonderful thing. I'm still using the Bluetooth thing, as you can see. Okay. I think I am done with the testing of the audio of the ECM-W2BT. I think it looks like it's working out great. That was the easiest setup. I literally turned them both on, they sync to each other, and it looks like it, with that multi-interface shoe design, it seemed like it instantly talked to the camera. So it's a little bit cheaper than the B1M microphone, and I think it's more useful personally. I didn't use the Lav Mic. I guess I could pull the Lav Mic out and show you that. Yeah, we'll get back to the truck and I'll show you the Lav Mic. Okay. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is from the actual microphone here. And this right here is the Lav Mic. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Lav Mic into this. Testing 1, 2, 3. So now this is from the Lav Mic. It is a stereo Lav Mic. So we have right side, left side, right side, left side, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. So that's the LM1. And this is just the receiver on its own.